guys, so today I'm at my favorite boba place ever in Maynooth called Shaking Tang. I've been going here for like so long and I love it so much, and my mom got me a gift, which is I Feel G Idol album, and I'm really excited to open it. So I'm actually so curious because like I saw that there was a CD here, but like it looks so tiny, like it's smaller than a CD, you know what I mean? Like a CD is like this big, this is like very small. Open it. Here's what it looks like. It's really small. It looks so pretty. It's all pink and oh, I love it so much. My favorite song probably from the album is I Love All Night, Queencard obviously, Allergy, Lucid, Paradise. Oh my gosh, all of them are so nice. So maybe let's go through the photo book first. Or if I should dump everything out. I think I should dump everything out. These are literally like playing cards. This is just a photo book. I don't know. I might just like place them here. Oh, looks so cool. Yeah. K because queen. No, K is for king, but Queencard. It's okay. Shuha. So these are not in order, but it's okay. Whoa, who's this? Soin again. These are not in order, but it's okay. Neat. Mian. Oh, I love her clips. And she has a curly clip. Shua, I think. Yugi's like also my bias. I don't know which one is my bias. Like if Minnie's my bias or if Yugi's my bias, but sign again. She looks so cool. Minnie, Yugi, the glasses, Mian. So cool. Look her nails. Look at she has so cute. So I thought Mian again. Let's Mian again. So cute. This way. I am a Queencard. Minnie. Yugi. Moschino. Wow. Mian. She has a curly clip. Suha. Oh, that's Mian again. I think that's Mian again, but look at her clips. I love her clips. Yugi. Look at her nails. Look at her rings. So cool. Suha. Look at her ring. So cute. Yugi. Again. Good card. They're on my wall. This is such a cute picture. Minnie. She's so pretty. There's so many of these. I think this is a whole like 52 cards, right? Soy. No, not Soy. Oh, Shua. Mian. This is Yugi. Mian. Minnie. These are so cute. Mian. Oh, look at her clips. No, I can't. I actually need her clips. I actually need all of her clips. Like, come on. I love this album so much. Yugi. Oh, she has the curly skirt. Slam. Minnie. Such a queen. Card. That's not Soyan, that's me. That's Shuhai. Oh my gosh. Yuki. Soyan. I love her ring. So pretty. I think this is the Minnie. Her tiara. Mian. think I'm gonna make like a similar necklace to hers because she's just, I love her necklace. I love her so much. Yugi, the knife. That's all for these huge cards. Leave them here. Oh, and there's like stuff here as well. Oh my gosh. This is the little tiny CDC. I was like concerned. Oh my god. That's so cute. It's tiny, but I love it. You see, like it's tiny. And I'm so scared if it doesn't work in the car because I usually use my CDs in the car. So I'm gonna check this out today. I think this is the little lyric book. So, Queencard, Lucid, All Night, Paradise, and Eating, something like that. Some cute little. Ooh, oh, these are tattoos. They're so cool. I love them. Maybe I'll wear them for like Halloween. Oh, I love that one. That one's on the bow. I love the bow. I love bows. It's really cute. I think this is Minnie. Yay! I got Minnie. And I love her. Oh, I love her so much. Minnie. Then I'll do my ID card. This is my, oh, wait, there's a card that's like unflipped. So let me flip that back. Oh yes! I got Yuki. Yuki's my bias. I think Yuki's my bias. No, wait. And I think we have the same BTI type. No way. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got Sian. Oh my gosh. I love her crown. It's like so pretty. Okay, I'm trying to hope. I'm gonna pull everyone. No. So right now I have Minnie and Shuha and Yugi. I think I put this correct on. So she's so pretty. Okay. Yes, I got Soyeon. Okay, just who do we need? Soyeon. Yes, I got Soyeon. She's so cool. Look at her. Oh yes. Okay, then I have the last thing, which is. It went by so quickly. I love opening albums. I swear. Oh my gosh, is that the same? Oh, she's the same, but it's okay. Mian. That's all that I got from this album. It's so cute, and I think I actually have the same MBTI type as Yuki. I think I actually do, yeah. That's so cute. I got everyone I wanted. Except for Shuha, I think. But that's okay, because I got 2 Mians, 1 Minnie, 1 Yugi, and 1 Cheyenne. That's all. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!